Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the chat box in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This feature is only accessible during an active meeting, so make sure you're in a meeting before proceeding with the next steps. Once you're in the meeting, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the meeting controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the important settings and features you need to manage your meeting effectively. You'll see several options displayed along the bottom of your screen. Now look for the three dotted lines icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. This will open up additional meeting options that aren't immediately visible in the main controls. It's essentially your gateway to more advanced settings and host-specific features. From the menu that appears, tap on Host Tools. This section is specifically designed for meeting hosts and gives you control over various participant interactions and meeting security features. It's where you can manage how participants engage with each other during the meeting. Next, tap on Participants. This will open the Participants panel where you can see everyone who's currently in the meeting and access controls related to participant interactions. This is a crucial section for managing communication settings within your meeting. In the Participants section, you'll see an option labeled Chat With. Tap on this option. This setting controls who participants can send chat messages to during the meeting, giving you complete control over the chat functionality. Finally, tap on No One. By selecting this option, you're completely disabling the chat feature for all participants in the meeting. No one will be able to send chat messages either publicly or privately, which can be particularly useful if you want to minimize distractions or maintain focus during important presentations. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the chat box in your Zoom meeting, ensuring participants can only communicate through audio and video. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.